as a shape memory alloy. So I'm talking about a composite which is stronger than copper, aluminum, steel. It's going to behave as a shape memory alloy. Also, it can withstand creep propagation. Okay, what done is we have found out the test to find out the tensile strength. Next slide. We have applied the Lami's theorem. Okay, and what is that? Our composite tensile strength is 487 megapascal. In this point also, you see minus is just 410. For copper, it's just 210. And for aluminum, it's just 180. So even in this aspect, the composite which you have formed is in terms of tensile strength even above merchant copper and aluminum. Okay, this is my composite. I'm just submitting before you. You can see this is composite. Both those composites was formed 1 year ago. Till there is no crack in the surface. Creep propagation is absent in that surface, and that composite is, as I told, in terms of copper number, inner number, and tensile more stronger than copper, aluminum, and steel. Okay, this is a graph between the this is actually the research part. What we done between the percent of epoxy and the amount of and the hardness. The maximum epoxy was got when the percent of epoxy was about 90. Next slide. Also between the percentage of add and the hardness measure. So when the add was 10%, was the maximum hardness. So what I'm trying to say is, for that composite to be hard, the percentage of epoxy must be 90 and add must be 10. Next slide. So what is it we are obtaining from the graph? See, if in a OHP sheet you give only epoxy, it just behave as a rubber. Just by the introduction of human air, which is available in plenty nature, I am enhancing its properties. Okay, and to form the composite more fastly, I am using a hardener. Next slide. So, if you can see, this is the most important point. If you can see, the absence of creep propagation. Most mechanical materials like copper, see, any mechanical material to keep on applying load for a period of about 5 to 10 years, the amount of stress will be, it will take in stress. So after a period of 5 years, there will be crack on the surface. So if you are using a mechanical material in a machine, due to consecutive cycles and vibration, it will be subject to failure because of creep. But in the composite, there is no creep. So even if you use it for 5 to 10 years in any number of machines, even if it is in completely turning cycles, vibration, it will not fail. It will be as it is for about 10 years or even 20 years. Next slide. Also, I have a graph to show.
Please make it fast.
Okay, if you can see that, sir, if you can see that, what I am doing it, I am actually preparing boiling water, and that boiling water is about to be poured on that composite. The composite which I gave you. Boiling water is poured in that composite, and there is no crack, no change on the surface of the composite, and the very next second I am able to touch the composite. So it will not contact heat. One more video. Last video. So, this is what flames, the composite which I gave you. I am exposing it to flame, and even in this, if I am exposing it to high flame, there is no crack on the surface, there is absolutely no change on the surface, and I am touching the composite next, and my hand, and there is no problem. So what I am trying to say is, it is not conducting heat, it will not fail even if you are using it for any number of cycles. Vibration resistant. So as a shape memory alloy, its shape will not change. If you are forming a square, it will remain a square for even after 20 years. There is no change on the surface. So this is my project. So this is my project.
Please conclude. Time.
Okay, this is my project, and it is one more part is environmental friendly. The cost of manufacturing that project is very less. So it's low cost and environmental friendly. Thank you. Signing off myself, Vishal, my friend Deepak. Thank you.